Hey y'all, it's Taylor from Tattoo Teacher Plans. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a plan with me for the week of October 15th through October 21st. And I'm using this little kit, well, it's not little, this kit from Sticky Essentials. This is one of her mystery kits from months ago. It is so cute. I think it's called Shiplap. That's what I'm going to call it anyway. And it is adorable. I love everything about this. The colors, these little scenes are so cute. It's got so much in here too. I'm going to try to just use the kit this week and see where we can go with it, because there is more than enough in here for what I need. Tons and tons and tons of stuff. Checklist. And then we got some deco and the date covers. I will have to pull some numbers in the bottom washi. So pretty. And then we also have the girl little add-ons here, and I want to use the girl with the red hair because my hair has a reddish tone. And then this is the glitter sampler, which I do probably want to incorporate a little bit of this just because I love, like, these colors are just so pretty and I love them. So I am going to go ahead and do a couple of things here. So I want to do the date covers and bottom washi, and I'm not going, like, I'm going to use the regular space this week instead of moving everything down a little bit. And then, let's see, weekend banner, and I think that's it for now. I'm probably going to go ahead and put some glitter headers across the top. Oh, and I need to do the flags. There's the flags right there. Okay, so I'm going to go do that stuff. I'm going to grab some numbers real quick, and I'm going to get started on this. This is going to be a cute week. And here's where I lost the audio for the rest of this video, or at least for the part up to the finished spread. So I'm working on the sidebar here with this little coffee bar sticker, which is so cute. And then I'm just going to take some glitter headers, and I was going to use that printed header, but I went and found something else. So I'm just going to stack 2 of these dark brown glitter headers just for a little background to the little to-do sticker. And then I put down this full box checklist underneath that. I don't have any school stuff going on this week. It is the week between my classes. So my classes are 7 weeks and we're in between, which is really nice. I need a break. So I'm putting underneath that a habit tracker for my vitamins and my birth control. And then below that, I'm going to put in, I'm trying to decide, I'm just going to put in a little quarter box just to mark that I don't have school this week. And then I'm using this little, it's like a little party popper to mark that, and then the little stethoscope for my little vitamins habit tracker there. And then a little bit of deco on that checklist. And then at the bottom, I'm going to pull in a full box since I have a lot of space down there because I don't have my school to-do list. And then I'm just going to kind of space them out just a little bit better there. All right, and then for my videos this week, I chose to use these two little labels. And then I'm putting down these two full boxes, the little scene here. Originally, I wasn't even going to use these two, but I think I'll have room for them because this week is going to be kind of slow since I don't have school or anything. Well, I don't have grad school. I do have school. And then I'm looking for like a day off sticker or something and didn't find anything that I liked. So I just took this little third box and I'm pulling in a little Fox and Pip girl who's just chilling out to mark my day off on Monday. I had a family weekend this past weekend and yeah, it was super fun. And Monday was my day, or is my day, to kind of recover, put my house back together, and get ready for the week. I'm very indecisive this week. You guys are gonna, you shouldn't have heard that audio anyway because I was so rambly and all over the place, so it's for the best. I'm looking for another bill due because I had 2 bills due this week and there was only 1 in the kit. And I'm trying to use as much of the kit as I can. So underneath that little checklist, I'm putting in the little money icon to mark that it's payday. And then below that, that little bill due. And then for my videos, I was really struggling with what to pull for those. And I went with, I'm going to find them in just a second. Yeah, those icons I was thinking about, but then they match the kit too much. Like the colors with the labels. So I'm looking through leftovers, found some cute stuff, but nothing that I really was drawn to. And then here I'm turning around and grabbing some stuff. So I found these little planners from Avalon and Ninth, which match perfectly and they look so cute. So I put those down for my 2 videos that are going up. And then above that I put a half box for my workout. And then on to the rest of the week. So I'm using pieces of washi to mark my meetings. And I knew I wanted to pull in some of these from See Amy Draw. So I pulled one that says caffeinated. They're so cute. And then I have these bow clips from Exo Mama Plans that I'm going to use to mark a few meetings. We actually had 3, so I wanted to mark those. And I try to put stuff in order, so that's why I'm pulling stuff up and moving them around. I'm not really super strict on it, especially in the evenings, but I like to have my school stuff in order just so I know what's coming up. So I put down those for those meetings, and then I'm using this, and I totally messed up my handwriting on it, and I hate it. I put it down, and then I immediately pull it back up because it's ugly. And then I'm going back into my stash, and I found these from Nikki Plus 3, and there's this cute little glue bottle. It's so cute. And I was marking that to remember to gather up some STEM supplies for a little STEM challenge that my world history kids are doing. And then below that, I want to mark a couple things, and one of them is I'm going to go after school to get a flu shot. We have a clinic on our campus that we can go get a free flu shot from. And then I also have a little a meeting with one of the principals in my district to help her with some Google stuff. So I'm using this little laptop and the appointment label to mark that, and then the little flu shot right under that. And then at the bottom, I'm pulling in that half box for my workout and the little bill due from my leftovers. And then on Wednesday, I have those 2 meetings, and then I have some things in the evening that I want to get done. So I did want to mark that I was planning on fasting this day, so I put that with a little water bottle from Burgo and Paper. Looks real cute. And then I have these little mini checklists, and I want to do just a quick to-do list. So I'm just jotting down a couple of reminders of things to get done. And then above that, I want to mark, like, Wednesdays are like my self-care nights, and so I was thinking about the bathtub ones, but I pulled in this girl. She's just so tall, and it's really hard to use. I'm gonna move her down in a minute. It's just really hard to use those when they're so big. I wish they were just like 2/3 that size. And then I'm also making Criminal Minds. It's the only show that I watch like on TV. Everything else I watch on like Hulu and stuff, but CBS, I don't have the CBS app because I refuse to subscribe to anything else. Okay, on to Thursday. I'm marking that meeting up at the top, and then I'm at the bottom above that video, I'm marking the workout that I'm going to do that day. Well, leaving space for it anyway. And then on Friday, there's a couple of things that I want to mark on here. This is going to be a really, really long day. So first thing is I want to mark just some general to-dos that I do at the end of the week to get ready for the next week. So I put that little checklist down there for that. And then that quarter box is to mark that we have a pep rally that day, which means we have an alternative schedule, which is why I mark it. And then below that in the half box, I'm put the little popcorn and Coke because we are working the concession stand. And by we, I mean 3 other girls and I are manning the concession stand for the football game. So it's one of our extra duties. And then I'm just putting in this little Dr. Pepper on that movie marquee for game night. We're going to go to an escape room as part of our monthly game night, my group of friends and I. And then on the bottom of Friday, I put down that TV little thing to mark the Lore Season 2 is coming out. And then on the weekend, I just have some to-dos, like this is for cleaning. I didn't have any of my little Nicole Hutch designs, little checklists. They did not match this at all because it's so neutral. So I put down just a little mini heart checklist, which is perfect. And then I'm pulling in this from Sadie Stickers, a little laundry line. So cute. And then below that for groceries, I'm just using the utensils icon. And then I'm working on my prayer list right now. So that usually goes at the top on Sunday. So I'm just flipping a little thing. And I'm just going to pull in some deco to just like add a little something to it. And then the rest of the things on Sunday are just little things, little reminders. So one of those things is I need to check the syllabus for my new class that's starting next week. So I just mark that with the little pencil icon. And then I want to fit in a workout on the weekends because I need to get back into my regular schedule because I've been slacking. And so I was going to put in a half box, but it just takes up a ton of room, and I have that scene at the bottom that's just taking up a lot of space. So I had one more of the 3rd boxes left that I'm going to use. And then I have another little thing there to mark meal prep, and I'm just pulling in that little utensils icon. And I'm marking that I want to use that girl with the red hair on Thursday. And now I'm just going to fill in all the things, and I'll see you in a sec. So here's my pre-planning all finished up. If you guys like the style of this video, like the voiceover and all that, let me know down below. I won't do it all the time, but maybe just every once in a while to mix it up. And yeah, stay tuned and I will show you the finished spread in just a sec. So here's the finished spread and I just adore how this turned out. It is so pretty and neutral as I tend to do. I usually do like a colorful spread and then a neutral spread. And then a colorful spread and then a neutral spread. It just is what I like. I like a little palette cleanser. So this is just so cute. Let me show you what I have left from the kit itself. This was a really huge kit and I got a really good deal on it. And there are so many leftovers. So I do have, of course, 3 of the girls left. I have a bunch of the little things. I have almost all the checklists. I'm going to save these. These are so cute. I have many, many half boxes left. I did decide to take up the little house and make more room on Saturday. The double box, I'm really torn on them because I do like them, but they just take up so much space. So I did remove that and it gave me a lot more room on Saturday, but it is really cute. And I like the touches of green. I have some deco left. I have a lot of this page left. And then I used a whole bunch of the washi. And then I have a bunch of this glitter sampler left, which I'm going to keep. And then I have a bunch of icons left. It is a giant kit and so, so cute. And okay, so let me zoom in and let's look at this a little closer. Okay, so I have, this is from Fox and Pip. These little clips are from Exo Mama Plans, Nikki +3, See Amy Draw. If I don't mention it, it is from the kit itself. GP Sticker Studio for the water bottles, Avalon and Ninth, Virgo and Paper, Fox and Pip. Yeah. Okay, let's go over here. And then we have Sadie Stickers, Fox and Pip, Virgo and Paper. I used a ton of the kit, so I'm not really pulling in much. See Amy Draw, Carolina's Crafts, and I think that is everything. So cute. I love this kit and this spread so much. I'm really glad that I didn't bring in foil because I think that it really just creates like this really pretty matte spread. So I love this. It's so pretty. Well, I hope that you enjoyed this spread and this plan with me. If you did, give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you're not already subscribed, and I'll see you next time. Bye!